Okay, this is my MySQL workbench. Here only we will write all our queries. Okay, we will write queries here, and here all are database names, that is college DB, customer DB, Django DB, employee DB, family tracker. All those are my database names. Okay, first if you want to create any table, first you have to create your database. Okay, you have to create your database. Now, how to create database? For creating table also create command, for creating database also create command on create keyword. Create, which one I need to, create database. Okay, create database. Database name, you can give any database name. Okay, you can give any database name, means not existing, new one. Okay, if you are giving any database name, means must and should, it is not available here in this part. Okay, first you have to create database name. Okay, how to execute? Select entire thing. If you observe here, first thunder symbol. Okay, click on this one. Okay, once you click this one, you will get your here code bug database. Okay, refresh once. Now observe here whether it came or not. Observe here, it came code bug. Okay, this is a database. Once you executed one time, means it will create. If you are executing same thing one more time, means you will get error. Okay, because already cannot create database. Code bug database already exists. If it is already available, means it will not create one more database. Okay, now I need to create table. Which table I need to create? Employee table. I need to create employee table. Okay, for creating any table or creating any database, what is the first keyword? Create keyword. After that, which one I need to create? I don't want to create database. I need to create table. So create table. What is the table name? Employee. What is the table name? Employee. After that, open parenthesis. Okay, here I need to mention column names. What are the column names? ID column. Okay, ID column. After giving ID column name, I need to give data type for allowing only particular type of data. Int type, int type. After this, comma. Again, I need to take one more column name. What is the data type? Varchar. Now, how many characters I need to allow? I need to allow only 20 characters. I need to allow only 20 characters. After that, close this one. Okay. Now, once I need to execute this query, first thing is you have to select and you have to click on thunder button. Okay. Once you click this one, means okay, no database selected. Select the default database to use, double click. Okay, observe here why you are getting error, means we had created database, but we had not selected particular database. After this creating, first you have to execute use code bug. Use code bug. Okay, first you have to create a database. After that, you have to use that database. Okay, use the code bug. Later, if you want, if you select, you can create our database. Okay, now observe here, you will get green color, means table is created. I need to check. I need to check table structure. I need to check table structure. Later, you have to write select. Okay, select is a DRL command. Okay, data retrieval language command. Data retrieval language keyword for getting data. Okay, later we'll discuss what is more on select part. Select star, select star from, select star from employee. What is my table name? Employee. Employee table. Okay, I need to select entire data from employee table. Okay, if you are using select star from employee, means you will get all column names, and if any data presented, means you will get entire data. If you observe here, ID and column names. Now table is created or not? You have created table. Like this, it can create any table. Now I need to modify this table. I need to modify this table. I need to add one more extra new column. I need to add extra new column. How to add? For adding any extra new column, first keyword is alter keyword. alter, where I need to modify database name change or table change. Okay, table change, alter table, alter table. Next table name, what is the table name? Employee. What is the table name? Employee table. Okay, now what I need to do in employee table, I need to add column. I need to add column. What is the column name I need to take? Place column. If you are taking any new column means must and should you have to mention the size. Okay, where care of 20. Where care of 20 I will take. Okay. Once you had written, again you have to select this entire query and click on thunder button. Click on thunder button. Now initially what is my table structure? Only two columns. Now if you select this part means you will get how many columns? Observe here once. Okay, how many columns you are getting now? Three columns. Initially only ID and name column will be there. Now we had added one more extra column, place column. Okay, now here I need to check data type size and all. I need to check data type size and all. If you click this one, okay, if you click this one, okay, 1 minute. Okay, if you just okay, click on database. Okay, here I symbol is available. Click on this. Okay, and click on columns. Click on columns. If you observe here, employees, it is employee table. Employee table contains column names, ID, name, and place. And what is the data type of ID? Integer type. What is the data type of name? Varchar. And what is the data type of place? Varchar of 20 only. Okay. Like this, remaining default value, nullable character set, all those things we will discuss in upcoming classes. Okay. Now I need to change data type size. Okay, I need to change data type size. Initially, what is the size? Varchar of 20. Okay, I need to change. If you want to change means again alter keyword table. And what is the table name? Employee table. Next, I need to modify. Okay, modify column, modify column. What is the which column I need to modify? Place varchar of 25. Varchar of 25. Okay. Now select this one. Just now we had seen what is the size? 20 size. Okay. Now I need to change to 25. I need to change to 25. Now again I will go code bug. Click on I button. Click on I and check in columns. Now what is the size? 25. What is the size? 25. But I don't want to check here. I need to check here only. Okay, I need to check here only. Now how to check? Describe, describe, describe. Okay, what is the column name? Sorry, what is the table name? Employee table. What is the table name? Employee table. Okay, describe employee table. If you execute, you will get entire data. Observe here. Varchar of 20, varchar of 25. Null values will be allowed. All those things. What is a null key, default, extra? All those things we will discuss later. Observe here. Concentrate on data definition part. Okay. Now I need to get entire table. Okay. For getting table, select star from employees. Okay. Now observe here. If you want to understand drop and truncate means you have to enter some data. Okay. Insert into. No need to remember this insert in data and all. We will discuss later. First, for understanding purpose, I am giving this example. Insert into table employee. Okay. Insert into employee values of one Raj Bangalore. Okay. Once I executed this query, one data will be inserted. Okay. I need to check. No need to learn how to insert. First, you have to concentrate on only definition part. Okay. I will add one more column. I need to enter one more data. 2 Raja. Okay, I had given another name, Bank. Okay, I will enter one more data. Execute. Okay, now two data will be there. Now I will execute. I will use truncate. I will use truncate. Truncate table. What is the table name? Employee. Truncate table. What is the table name? Employee. Okay, execute. Okay, now truncate command is completed. Query is executed. Now click on this. What is the data? Data is not available, but structure is retained. Okay. Now one more time I will execute these two queries, not these two. Inserting data. I will insert two more queries. Now I will use drop command. I will use drop. Drop table. Table name is employee. Drop table. Table name is employee. Now execute this. Okay, executed. Now I will select start from employee. Okay, observe here, table code bug employee table does not exist. Okay, like this, both the two things it will work. Okay, you have to know the difference. Is it clear? Okay, I had given some assignment questions. Okay, you can take the picture. First, try to practice in notebook. After that, you try to enter in system. Once it was completed, take the pictures and send to codebug, send to codebug15 at the rate gmail.com. At the rate gmail.com. Okay. First, try to write all queries in notebook. Whatever the queries you had written, enter in system. After executing, take two pictures and send to codebug15 at the rate gmail.com. I will give reply within